Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of healing foods and how they can boost your health and immunity. Remember to like, share, and hit that subscribe button to stay updated with more insightful health videos. But first, let me hit you with a mind-blowing fact. Did you know that the food you eat can have a major impact on your overall health and immune system? It's true. Now let's kick things off with a quick introduction to the concept of healing foods. These are the nutrient-packed superstars that play a crucial role in keeping our bodies strong and resilient. By incorporating these foods into our diet, we can supercharge our immune system and ward off illnesses. Next, let's address the common health issues we face and the importance of having a robust immune system. From colds and flu to more serious conditions, a strong immune system is our body's first line of defense. And guess what? Healing foods can be our secret weapon in this battle for good health. Now let's delve into the exciting world of healing foods. Think colorful fruits, vibrant vegetables, crunchy nuts, and powerhouse seeds. These foods are not only delicious, but also packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can work wonders for our health. But wait, here comes the climax. The top 3 healing foods that can truly make a difference in boosting your health and immunity. Drum roll, please. First up, we have berries packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. Next, we have leafy greens like spinach and kale, loaded with vitamins and minerals. And finally, don't forget about the almighty garlic, known for its immune-boosting and antimicrobial properties. In conclusion, incorporating healing foods into your daily meals can have a profound impact on your immune system. From fighting off infections to reducing inflammation, these foods are nature's medicine cabinet. So why not give them a try and let your body thank you later? And finally, here's your call to action. I encourage you to start incorporating these healing foods into your diet and see how they transform your health. Share your experiences in the comments below, and let's inspire each other on this journey to a healthier, stronger immune system. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and hit that like button and subscribe for more health tips and tricks. Until next time, stay healthy and happy. Health Manity. We help individuals achieve better health and wellness through expert-verified, easy-to-understand health tips.